Hey everybody, so this quick little video, I just wanted to stress the importance of trading like a business. That helped me a lot. Trading can be a hobby or it can be, something that you take on full time. But in my opinion, you should treat it like a business. Trading is, if you treat it like a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby, right? Most of us want to be successful. We want to be long-term traders. We want to do really well, right? So if that's the case, take it serious. Treat it like a business. What business do you know does not have startup costs? There may be some out there, maybe some online stuff, whatever, but most businesses, you have to have some type of startup costs, right? Some type of fee. So even if you don't, eventually you're going to, even throughout having a business, you're going to have expenses, right? What type of business do you know that does not have expenses? I don't know of any. It's not all just profit. It's not all just income. It's not just money coming in. That's why there's something called a P&L, profit and loss statement, right? That's not just for us traders. There's businesses have profit and loss statements, right? Whenever a self-employed person or a business owner, they go to get financing, they go to the bank, they ask them to submit, hey, your P&L, your financial statement. You got to do that. You have profits and losses, business income, expenses. So if you treat your trading like that, then you're going to take it more serious. You will have business expenses. You're going to have trading expenses, data, subscription fees, different things. These are just expenses. Treat it that way. You can't have an expense-free business. Just like even when you take a loss, treat that like a business expense. So just do that. Even create a little spreadsheet with your income and expenses. That's all it is. And as long as you're profitable at the end of the day, that's all that matters. You want your profit to outweigh your expenses, just like any other business. So treat it that way and you will do great. Be consistent. That's the number one key with trading, in my opinion. Be consistent. We're here for the long term. Don't treat it like a hobby. Treat it like a business. Take it serious and be profitable. All right, so I hope everybody has a great weekend and be ready for this week. And I hope everybody trades well. Take care.